Alright guys, welcome back to Sidewinder Shed. We're out here. I wanted to show you my new timing gear set. It comes with brand new tensioners, 4 of them, 2 timing chains, and these are the marks I was talking about, these yellow links. Now if you count from that one up to this one, that should be 29 links, including the 2 yellow ones. Then you go from here all the way around. That's a total of 42. And I'll show you how these line up in just a minute. The timing gear itself, this is the old ones. They were 2-piece. The new one is 1-piece, and it doesn't look like it matters which way it goes. That way or this way. The timing marks are on the same spot in both places. Alrighty, well, let me get you all set up on the tripod and I'll get back with you.